Yes, good evening everyone. Today we are going to start a new chapter, that is the endocrine system. Okay, this system is related with the endocrine glands and their secretion. They are called the hormones. So hormones, they are the chemical messengers, basically chemical substances secreted by the endocrine glands, and their secretions are poured directly into the bloodstream. Okay, and they affect only of the target organ. So their hormones are the basically chemical messengers. They affect directly on the target organs. There are two type of glands in our body. One are the endocrine gland or the exocrine gland. So endocrine glands are called the ductless glands. Okay, they don't have duct. They pour their secretion directly into the bloodstream, and their secretion is called hormones. So they pour their secretion, they are without duct. Okay, so they pour their secretion into the bloodstream and hormones basically. Okay, so they, with the help of the bloodstream, they reach up to the different type of organ of the body and react over there. Means hormones, they are secreted by the endocrine gland somewhere. Suppose the pituitary gland secrete a hormone and it affect on the thyroid gland. Okay, they secreted somewhere else and they affect on the other organs of the body. So thyroid gland and pituitary gland, pancreas gland, many glands are the endocrine glands are there. Then the exocrine glands are there. Exocrine glands, they have duct by which they secrete their secretion directly into the target organ. So they are the endocrine or ductless gland, but they have duct. They have a tube basically by which they can secrete their secretion. They can pour their secretion directly into the target organ. Their secretion are called juices. So we have a salivary glands are there. Okay, and liver is there, pancreatic gland is there, gastric glands are there. They pour their secretion directly into the bloodstream. So type of glands are there in the, we have a, there are many glands. Today we are going to one by one we are going to discuss in our syllabus: pituitary, thyroid, parathyroid, adrenal, pancreas, testes and ovaries are there. Okay, so we are going to discuss the thyroid gland. This is the thyroid gland is shown here. Okay, so this gland is one of the very important gland. The thyroid gland is bilobed gland. It's a butterfly shaped gland basically. Okay, you can see that. And it located, where it located, it lies on the ventral and lateral side of the trachea. This is the trachea shown here, lateral and ventral side of the trachea, just below the, this is the larynx, just below the larynx it is in the neck region, it is shown here. Okay, so the, this is a butterfly shaped gland and located on the either side of the trachea or windpipe you can say, and just below the larynx in the neck region. Okay, so functions, what are the functions of this gland? It secrete hormones basically. There are the two type of hormones are there, the thyroxine and calcitonin hormone are there, and their function is it have the different functions. It secrete hormones thyroxine basically that affect the rate of activities of the body. So thyroxine is control the metabolic basal metabolism of the body, and also control the cell respiration, production of energy and maintain body temperature. So this is the function of the thyroid gland. Thyroid gland basically main hormone secreted by is the thyroxine. Okay, it's over secretion. If its over secretion is there, then what is the effect of that hormone? Okay, it means if the over secretion is there, then also it affect our body. So it make the person sluggish, weak and inactive at that time. Okay, so it means what, the there will be lots of fattiness in the that person. The next gland is the, we have the adrenal gland. Okay, so adrenal gland, you can see location. It, adrenal means related to kidney basically. Okay, so kidney is there shown here. This is the kidney, part of the kidney. It's up just above that the adrenal gland, just like a cap of the kidney. Okay, located above the kidney like the cap over the organ. So adrenal gland is a cup shaped. Okay, and it secretes the hormones, that is the adrenaline hormone is the main hormone secreted by this gland. So adrenaline hormone is a basically emergency hormone. Okay, so adrenaline is hormones by the adrenal medulla, basically adrenaline and non-adrenaline. Adrenaline hormone is called the emergency hormone. It prepare us up the body for the emergency conditions by increasing the heartbeat, blood pressure, respiratory rate, blood sugar level. So it means this hormone, this adrenaline hormone is basically responsible for the emergency condition. It prepare the body for the emergency condition. Another hormone secreted by this is the cortisol hormone. The cortisol hormone stimulate the metabolism of the carbohydrate, fats, proteins in the body. Okay, another hormone, another gland is that is the pancreatic gland is shown here. You can see this is the pancreatic gland. Gallbladder is shown here. This is the pancreas. Pancreas is the basically gland, elongated, flat-ended, exocrine as well as the endocrine gland. It can be called the heterocrine gland also. Okay, so this gland location, it is located just below the stomach, just below the stomach in the loop of the duodenum. Okay, pancreas is a heterocrine gland. It contains two type of cells, acnes and the islets of Langerhans. Okay, so it secretes two hormones basically, that is the insulin hormone secreted by it. Okay, the function of the insulin hormone is that it control the glucose to convert the glucose to glycogen. It help to maintain the blood sugar level. Basically this insulin hormone lower the blood sugar level in the body, and glycogen hormone raise the blood sugar level. So there are two type of hormones that secreted by this pancreatic gland, and insulin and glycogen. One increase the lower the blood sugar, insulin that is lower the blood sugar level, and glycogen that raise the blood sugar level. Okay,